Mastering English verb forms, to be and to sing. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on English verb forms. We'll explore the intricacies of to be and to sing, along with the versatile ing form. The verb to be, essence of existence.
Am.
First person singular, used with I. Example, I am singing.
Is.
Third person singular, used with he, she, it. Example, she is singing.
Are.
Used with we, you, they. Example, we're singing. The verb to sing, melodious action.
Sing.
Base form, used for simple present tense. Example, I sing daily. Singing. Present participle, used for present continuous tense. Example, I am singing now.
Sang.
Past simple, used for simple past tense. Example, I sang yesterday.
Sung.
Past participle, used for present perfect tense. Example, I have sung before. Combining to be and to sing, present continuous. I am singing. You are singing. He, she, / it is singing. More examples. We are singing. They are singing. Formation of the ing form. Add ing to the base form of the verb. Example, walk, walking. Drop e. For verbs ending in e, drop the eds before adding ing. Example, love, loving. Change ie to y. For verbs ending in ie, change to y's before adding ing. Example, lie, lying. Uses of the ing form. Present continuous. Action happening now. I am walking to school. Past continuous. Action in the past. I was walking when I saw my friend. Future continuous. Future action. I will be walking tomorrow. Gerunds and participles. Nouns and adjectives. Walking is fun. The walking trail is beautiful. Common mistakes to avoid. Incorrect tense. Ensure you're using the correct tense and verb form in your sentences. Forgetting I. Always double-check that you've added the ing suffix to the verb when required. Spelling errors. Follow the spelling rules carefully to avoid common mistakes in forming ing verbs. Practice makes perfect.
1.
Learn. Study the rules and examples.
2.
Practice. Apply the rules in exercises. 3. Review. Identify and correct mistakes. 4.
Repeat.
Reinforce your learning. Remember, mastering English verb forms takes time and practice. Keep at it, and you'll see improvement in your language skills.